This car is not worth repairing. Uncle Zhang bought a Audi A6 2.4 with Beijing license plate. This old man, after collecting the car, didn't stop for a moment. He came to me to do a full car maintenance. The car fell over. I took a look. Isn't this a scrap car? Oh, look at this front grille cover. The overall appearance of the front and rear bumpers is full of scratches, bruises, and cracks on the paint surface. Time speculation. The interior is even worse. Steering wheel patina faded. The interior is dirty and smells bad. The main driver's seat is made of bricks. Oh my god, is this driving a junked car to pick up junked items? I told the owner, where did you find this old car? This is not refurbished. How much does this cost? This has no value. Uncle Zhang said, you don't have to worry about this. Just tell me if you can straighten your back. Oh, this old man is really stubborn. No matter how much I persuade him, he won't be persuaded. Okay, then please prepare this car for me. Preparation, preparation, preparation. Preparatalon renovation. Renovation, renovation. New, we must follow the concept. Creating value, shaping dreams. Ignite hope. Achieving purpose through technology. Only then can the feelings continue. Today, let's first take a look at the engine and gearbox. Chassis preparation. During the inspection, the car still won't start. I put on the electric start. The engine is making a rattling noise. Don't worry, dysmenorrhea is uncontrollable. Oh my god, what kind of car is this? Car owner. I have high expectations for this car, but I told the owner how to prepare this car. He's also an old car. Don't go for nearly new cars. That's all a lie. The preparations are complete and everything is tidy, good looking and easy to drive. It's okay as long as it's stable. Grandpa said yes. Anyway, this car is handed over to you. Oh, this old man believes in me so much we can't let you down no matter what. Are you ready? Gotta give her a surprise? Make her heart beat, just like when I saw Aunt Wang next door. After the engine is lifted, we start disassembling the engine. What happens when we remove the oil pan? I found sludge and carbon deposits in the engine. That's quite a lot. This is caused by overdue maintenance or low antioxidant capacity of engine oil. Engine disassembly completed. At first glance, the cylinder and piston are severely worn. Valve oil seal aging failure. Check other accessories. You can still use it. Solve the problem of engine oil burning. We have been using digital precision steel-resistant aircraft model equipment. It has so many advantages. Focus on precise and efficient CNC machining. The control adjustment is a test of professionalism and proficiency. The data of the processed steel cylinder is amazing. This device is really great. Now all engine parts have been cleaned. We started assembling the engine of this Audi 2.4 BDW. This engine was produced in 2005. First time using our Audi C60, an engine independently developed by Audi. The biggest advantage of this engine is its strong power output, but at low speed, there is no 2.0T. Fortunately, the medium and high speeds are much better than 2.0T. The engine is powerful and fuel efficient. The average fuel consumption at high speed is 8 to 8.5. But the biggest flaw of this engine at that time, I love pulling high. Basically, during that period, the OEMs also aimed a lot of compensation. This 2.4 engine, the engine's cylinder scuffing rate is 80%. This Audi engine is really a ripoff. What happened next in 2009? This 2.4 engine has undergone a minor modification. Based on the original aluminum drilling, added a steel sleeve. In this way, the occurrence of engine cylinder pulling will be greatly reduced. So, aluminum steel barrels are really not wear resistant. Alloy steel machine.
Don't
engine assembled. We start by cleaning the gearbox. What about this gearbox? The main cause of the failure is obvious oil leakage. Slight jerking when shifting up and down. Like this question. Improvement of a set of friction plates can alleviate the problem. Repair the gearbox. A set of special tools must be prepared in advance. The gearbox cannot be disassembled, because some parts cannot be disassembled without special tools. Deliberately. Now we are breaking down the input shaft. We're going to check the forward clutch, so we have to pull the oil pump out of the vehicle. Sometimes it takes time to repair a car. Study the mysteries and metaphysics here carefully. That's too much. Those who have not experienced it can't understand it at all. Even if I finally forgot that the gearbox was disassembled. Sure enough, the clutch plates nowadays are a 2/6-piece. The gearbox's middle shell and screws are both leaking oil. So this time, we will solve it all together. Now all parts of the gearbox have been cleaned. We started assembling the gearbox of this Audi 101T. When we disassemble the gearbox, the purpose of pulling the input shaft apart is to improve the friction plate. The original 6 pieces were upgraded to 7 pieces. Readjusted the gaps between the pieces. In this way, the upshift and downshift will become smoother.
Your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
Install the oil pump and the rear end cover fastening screws. Apply torque. Now the gearbox is sorted out. Now we are installing the external accessories of the engine. Then assemble the engine and gearbox into the car. engine is now installed. Start the engine for test run. The engine started smoothly after 2 strokes. The engine is currently running smoothly. No unusual sound. Then we started to prepare the chassis. Put the chassis arm, rubber sleeve. Bait, rear shock. Absorber rear disc, replace all. Preparation completed. We started to prepare the interior of the vehicle. Clean all the dust and dirt off this old A6. What about cleaning the interior? We basically removed it to the iron layer. Pull out all the carpet. Carry out a thorough and comprehensive cleaning, sterilization, and deodorization. Completely prepared interior. Let the interior of this old car exude a fresh smell. Interior cleaning completed. We started polishing the exterior of the vehicle, make a base scraper, then continue grinding and leveling. After spraying the primer, sanding is required. Don't worry about leveling and bottoming problems. Anyway, the body exterior preparation process is also quite complicated. I dreamed that the vehicle had already been completed. The car has entered the paint station. Oil removal umbrella, dry end. We started spray painting construction stage. 2 coats of top coat. Varnish requires even spraying. The gun pressure point is in place. Spray wherever you point. Be steady, accurate, and ruthless, while also being firm and flexible. Finished painting. After the paint is finished, it is the sheet metal installation stage. Oh, there can't be any problems in every link. Construction must be carried out in accordance with standards. The process cannot go wrong at all. Car repair thing. Once you are careless, all loss. The most important thing is that we can't afford to lose that person. So we control every link strictly. Grid. Sheet metal installation completed. We started polishing the vehicle paint. Restore paint. Surface brightness. Our goal is to make Mr. Jang's eyes light up. Shocking at first sight. Let Aunt Wang's eyes light up. I regretted using the washboard pants style. Finished product display.
All that you are, stare fear in the face, to reach for the stars.